ISO-Chemie. Use the blue technology.
Wir sind hier beim ISO-BLOCO XTHERM.
Here we are at ISO-BLOCO XTHERM. As you can see, this is an impregnated polyurethane soft foam that is used in the functional level. The functional level is the determining factor for soundproofing and thermal insulation. ISO-BLOCO XTHERM is available in tape widths from 30 to 192 mm and with various degrees of expansion. For applications from 4 to 16 through to 15 to 60 mm. This means you can pack a broad spectrum of joints with a single tape size. As explained, ISO-BLOCO XTHERM is both a pre-impregnated soft foam and a soft foam in the true sense of the word. This is because it's really very supple, soft foam that adapts perfectly to the contours of the joint, presses against it without exerting significant forces. And this is very important when installing components with a large overall depth, such as lift and slide doors. For a lift and slide door, I have a very wide installation joint. This is because of the required sealing deflection plus the installation joint that I will need. So this is where the lightweight joints of 3, 4 or 5 centimeters come into play, and all the other insulating materials that can be incorporated here, foams or mineral fibres, which are often no longer desirable in today's construction projects, as they always run the risk of transmitting the pressure of the sealing deflection to the element. And as we all know, exerting pressure from above onto a lift and slide door means that it will no longer work. ISO-BLOCO XTHERM uses a unique Microtherm technology which prevents thermal energy being lost through this tape. So we have a lambda value of 0.0392, making it an excellent insulating material. Here we can see the tape dimensions for joint widths from 30 to 192 mm, for 4 to 16 or even 15 to 60 mm applications and using the XTHERM technology. As you can see here, there is even no heat flow through the material. The XTHERM technology efficiently prevents the ingress and penetration of heat. I have also said that soundproofing is important, and here we have a sound reduction index of 62 decibels. This means that all the points to be fulfilled by a functional level are excellently covered by ISO-BLOCO XTHERM. I will demonstrate this with the soft foam. If I push my finger in here, there is almost no resistance. This means that joints can really be permanently packed without exerting loads on the component, for example on a lift and slide door or in a drywall construction, cavity floors that must be acoustically decoupled from the surrounding walls, or in timber construction in verge rafters which are fitted before the thermal insulation composite system and again have to press against large surface areas. ISO-BLOCO XTHERM is ideal insulating material for the functional level for all these joints. ISO-BLOCO XTHERM.